Congratulations on your admission to San Jose State University. We are honored that you have chosen to apply to our beautiful campus. Traditionally, on Admitted Spartan Day, we invite you all into our event center so that we can welcome you to campus and encourage you to explore all that SJSU has to offer. This year is unlike any other. We have all been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic in ways that we could not have imagined when this event was scheduled months ago. We hope you and your family members are finding ways to stay healthy and in good spirits during this challenging time. At SJSU, the health and safety of our community, including our admitted students, their family members, and their guests, is our priority. And for this year, that means that we will not be able to host you in person on April 18th. While there is no comparison to seeing the beauty of our downtown campus for yourself, we knew that we would need to find a way to adapt this year's event so that we can still show you why San Jose State University should be your first choice as a destination for higher learning. Though we can't invite you to attend in person, we are inviting you to join us online for an innovation of our traditional Admitted Spartan Day program, a week-long series of online offerings that will allow you to see just how amazing San Jose State University is. During SJSU's Admitted Spartan Virtual Open House, we will post something new every day for a week, beginning on Saturday, April 18th. This is a first for us, and we are excited to experience this with you throughout this week and beyond. We also understand that this may be a first for you. You may be the first in your family to attend college, or this may be your first time learning about our university community. No matter your familiarity with college in general, or San Jose State in particular, we are committed to giving you the information you need to choose SJSU and successfully transition to student life on campus. During SJSU's Admitted Spartan Virtual Open House, the list of events will include webinars, virtual tours, online Q&As, and videos so that you can experience what it would be like to join the Spartan community in the fall. We will showcase our academic majors and colleges, our support services, and our student leadership opportunities. You can find it all right here at our Admitted Spartan Day website. You may already know that San Jose State is a campus of firsts. We were the first public university on the West Coast and a founding member of the California State University system. During our 150 plus years of history, we have often been the first to innovate in too many ways to count: social justice, engineering, science, education, and the arts. Our location in Silicon Valley both demands and facilitates the constant improvement of past achievements, and we hope that our virtual open house gives you an idea of that innovative spirit that radiates through our campus. Learning and leadership is woven into the history and framework of our university, and our inclusive environment encourages students to discover who they want to be while they are a student here and their purpose after graduating. From over 400 plus recognized student organizations like our Associated Students, the campus's student governance organization, to pre-professional clubs, to fraternities and sororities, to cultural organizations, students have extraordinary opportunities to become the leaders they choose to be. Though so many things have been in a state of flux these last few weeks, there are some things that will remain constant even in these unpredictable times. We are Spartans, and Spartans are resilient and innovative and committed to supporting each other when challenges arise. We are here for you to answer any questions or respond to any concerns you might have as we move through this time together. In the coming days and weeks, please check into our Admitted Spartan Day website for updates. We will also send information through your MySJSU account and email, so please stay connected as we invite you all into SJSU's Admitted Spartan Virtual Open House. On behalf of all of us at San Jose State University, welcome to the Spartan family.